So I'm currently at Cape Town, and boy, is it beautiful.
Take my hand and follow me. Don't be scared. I know these.
So guys, I'm currently at Cape Town, and I'm gonna be telling you guys how I got here, what I tried to achieve here, what I want to do here, and especially how unprepared I was, because really nobody tells you how to prepare to come to Cape Town. But hopefully by watching this video, you're going to know what to do. I'm currently here for a company vacation, which is like a vacation, but like you work as well, right? So we're gonna be here for a couple of days, and we're gonna work, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna chill, we're gonna go to the beach, just have fun while delivering features, which is crazy, right? So for a little bit of context, I'm currently based in Lagos, Nigeria. I work for a fintech, and this is actually the first vacation that we're having. And everybody chose Cape Town, and nobody told us how to pack. Now, in hindsight, a bit on hindsightedly. So in hindsight, I should have watched some videos on this YouTube, right? I should have watched some videos that should have maybe told me one or two things about how to pack, how to prepare things to get. Of course, I didn't plan well. I did not plan well. So the first thing that was surprising for me was the temperature of this place. Now we're still in Africa, right? Although it is South Africa, right? We're still in Africa, and I know how hot this place is. So I did not expect to see this weather. Like, it's basically 12 degrees here. We use a lot of AC in Nigeria, and the AC goes as low as 16 degrees. But that's the most you can get to. Like, it does not get lower than that. That's really how all ACs go, right? Since we got in, we'll be seeing 11 degrees, 8 degrees. Okay, I'm not seen it. I'm not sure. 11 degrees, 10 degrees, 12 degrees, 13, 14. I've not seen 15. That's how crazy it is. So what we're doing, at least how we are managing the heat, is some homes have heaters. Some has ACs, but the good thing with ACs is that you can increase the temperature and then it's not blowing hot air. My room is actually like 21 degrees, so I was able to maintain that 21 degrees, which is very, very comfortable for me. It's what I'm used to. Right? But here is probably, last I checked it was 12 degrees, and everywhere is closed. Like, I've shut all the windows, shut everything. So this is just the nascent temperature in this room, and it's crazy. This place is freaking cold. I know that to some of you guys in other countries that are like colder than this, you may think I'm just whining you guys. I'm just over exaggerating, but this is me where the coldest I've seen is 16 degrees. And 16 degrees is like when the AC has been on for so long, like so long, and you start shivering and you're like, nah, I'm gonna turn it off because it should not get this cold. You get, and most times the ACs in my house are set to 20 or 19. You get, so they don't get that cold. The next thing that really surprised me was their sockets, the power outlets. Now they have these weird holes. They're just like three massive holes in the outlets. I never seen this kind of thing before. Like, I've not seen this kind of holes in an outlet before. So coming here and seeing that these are the only kind of sockets that are available, like just that kind. It's crazy. Luckily for us, we had the host, the Airbnb hosts gave us some adapter that we were able to use that, to work with our devices and all that. This is Africa. This is Africa, right? But I've seen more white than black. Honestly, I can count the amount of blacks I've seen since I got in. And I got in at Johannesburg, and I think at Johannesburg there were a bit more blacks. And then when we got to Cape Town, from the airport, it was basically all white. Camps Bay is basically all white. Basically, the only place we found a couple of blacks were at the restaurants where some blacks were working there and all that. But otherwise, they are basically all white. This is just the second day. We're gonna be here for 6 more days. So let's see where we get to. Let's see. I just hope I get to see more people, get to see more culture. The architecture is so beautiful. This place is very, very beautiful. the hills, the mountains, and I think I went on Google this morning and I found that the mountain I've been looking at is I think it's called the Table Mountain, a bit Tabletop Mountain or something. And then there's a lion's head that's just behind me here as well. So this place is really beautiful. The architecture is very very different from what I'm used to in Lagos. You know, it almost does not feel like Africa. Anyways, that's basically all I have. This is just an intro video. It's my stay here in South Africa, and yeah, let's hope I have more fun. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures. I'm gonna share it for you guys. So you guys see. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.